In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to face swap in Leonardo AI. This easy and quick guide will have you swapping faces in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and explore how you can creatively experiment with your images using this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Leonardo AI website and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to set one up to access all of the features that Leonardo AI offers. Once you're logged in, you can explore your dashboard and get comfortable with the interface. Familiarity here will help smooth your process as you venture into face swapping. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Library or My Creations section. This is where you'll house all your current and past projects. Take your time browsing through your images. To start the face swap process, you'll need to select your base image, which is the image you want to alter. Ensuring you choose the right picture as your base is crucial as it sets the tone for your final product. After selecting your base image, click on it to bring up additional options, and then select Edit. Here, you're set to start the creative part. Now, you'll be using the masking brush to paint over the face that you want to replace. The masking tool is highly intuitive, but it does require some practice to master. Be precise with your brush strokes, as this will define the area where the new face will be added. Take your time, and if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can always adjust your markings. With the face you want to replace selected, you're ready for the next step, which involves uploading or referencing the new face. This can be a picture you've previously taken or an image you have the rights to use. Ensure that the lighting and angles closely match your base image for a seamless blend. Compatibility between both images is key to achieving a natural result. Once your images are in place, it's time to fine-tune the settings. Leonardo AI provides a variety of customization options to help you tweak the appearance of the new face on your base image. Play around with these settings to achieve the best possible integration of the faces. Adjust the tones, blend levels, and even the skin texture settings to make it look realistic. Having adjusted your settings, go ahead and click the Generate or Apply button. This will initiate the merging process, where the magic of AI comes to life. You'll see the transformation unfold before your eyes as the face swap is executed. Now that you're satisfied with the final image, there's just one last step, saving your creation. Click on Download to save your newly face-swapped image directly to your device. From here, you can share your image or keep it for personal projects. And there you have it. You've successfully swapped a face using Leonardo AI. Experiment with different images and settings to perfect your skills and make each project more impressive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.